What is the best restoration tool? There are plenty of good options to restore motorcycle and engine components, but what is the best option? I'm John from Vapor Honing Technologies, and we're going to determine which option is the best to restore your applications and components. As I mentioned before, there are good options to restore components. Naming a couple, there's wire brushing and sandblasting. If you have a rusted metal part, you can use a wire brush to remove it. However, it's going to take a lot of time and work to remove it. Sandblasting, on the other hand, is very versatile. It can strip the rust, paint, and contaminants off the surface. But there are some drawbacks to sandblasting. This process is too rough on smooth surfaces, so you will be running the risk of damaging the part. Also, sandblasting uses silica and can lead to lung disease, so you need to wear protective gear while blasting. So these options are good, but not the best. Overall, you would need a restoration tool that's easy to use, it does not harm you or damage your parts, so that's where vapor honing comes in. Vapor honing is a surface refinishing process that combines water, compressed air, and abrasive to clean and restore surfaces. The process is gentle on the surface because the water cushions the abrasive upon impact. The vapor honing machine is a great restoration tool for hobbyists and businesses. You can use it to grow your business because cleaning and restoring parts are easy. Vapor honing has been the primary process for cleaning motorcycle and engine components. It's also a great tool for DIY projects at home, so it's a pretty handy tool. Overall, the vapor honing machine is the best tool for restoration. If you have any questions about vapor honing, please call our sales team at 828-202-5563. You can also check out our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.